So I'm Dr. Rajni Shettigar. I'm an academician. I'm a visiting faculty for pharmacy. I have done my PhD in pharmaceutical sciences. And being into academics, I felt the need for counseling. When I was counseling the students, I thought that I should be professionally equipped with all the tools that are required for counseling. And also being a consulting pharmacist, when the patients used to come to me, I thought that whether I'm doing it correctly when I was counseling them. So I was looking for some courses for counseling, and suddenly I found this ICHARS website, and then I inquired. I got a call from them, and then they sent me the link, and I saw the syllabus, and I found it very interesting. But then since last October, I wanted to do this, and somehow it got delayed. Then I did my diploma in counseling. I did certain courses. I did my psychotherapy course, but I always wanted to do this because I found this curriculum very interesting. And then finally I enrolled for this batch August, and I did this course, and I found that whatever I did earlier, this was really better, and in fact it was the best, because it gave me clarity of what exactly how you have to go stepwise. I was always very confused about, I know these are the things that you have to do, the CBT, the REBT, and so many modalities I've learned, but the stepwise, the complete sequence of how you should handle a client when the client comes to you, this clarity I got with this course. And Divya ma'am did it very well, and she was so, I mean, she's very, I felt that she's a best teacher when it comes to this all modalities whatever I've learned, because she explained everything very nicely, and very empathetically she listened to all your queries and she explained them very well, and I really loved it, and I'm looking forward to do the level 2. And um, I definitely will enroll for the level 2 for the next month probably, and I really like this course. Thank you Divya ma'am, thanks a lot.
Thank you, Rajni ji. Thank you so much. Who would like to go next?
Hello,
Okay.
ma'am.
Yes, Yamini. 1 second, I'm just putting you on spot. Yes, Yamini.
Hello, ma'am. Hello, everyone. Well, this was my refresher course. I'm Yamini Joshi from Mumbai, and I'm a counseling psychologist. And in addition to other modalities, the structure that ICHARS provide is the best thing. I see a lot of people confused about how to use different modalities, and ICHARS provides the best structure. And as I said, it's a refresher course. Whatever I had learned in the first session, I got more clarity on each and everything, and confidence also in all the concepts. Thank you so much, ma'am. Looking forward to joining level 2 very soon.
Thank you, Yamini. Thank you so much. Who'd like to go next? Sakshi? You good to go?
Ma'am, clear to you? Or somebody can
No.
in 5 minutes I'm going to reach my destination.
All right, then we'll do that time. Yes, Ranjit, I'll take you. 1 second, I'll put you on spotlight. Yes, Ranjit.
Hello, ma'am, and hello, everyone. My name is Ranjit Kaur Sokhi, and I'm from Mumbai. I'm a goal-setting coach, already working with children to set up their goals. Again, this is my refreshers course. I had already completed 2 levels from ICHARS. As everyone rightly said, the structure, the framework that ICHARS provide is the best. And being revising the entire course once again, definitely when we do any course for the first time, probably 100% knowledge we are not able to acquire. So I'm so happy to do this refresher course because I was able to understand certain concept from a different perspective. And Divya ma'am, I just love the way she teaches. She's so patient to answer each and everyone's query by giving different examples. And the rapport with the Divya ma'am was like amazingly well. I literally felt so good to revise this entire course with her. Thank you so much, ma'am. And the key takeaway, definitely the structured framework that ICHARS provide. Thank you so much, ma'am. That's it from us.
Thank you, Ranjit. Thank you so much. Yes, Jyoti ji, I am going to put you on spot.
Good evening, Divya ma'am, and good evening, everyone. My name is Jyoti Gujaran, and I'm a counseling psychologist. I'm from Mumbai. I've completed my levels, all my levels from ICHARS. The reason for me to repeat this level one was to bring its own perspective, which I knew would definitely happen with Divya ma'am. So each teacher brings his own sense of perspective to anything they teach. And Divya ma'am definitely brought it hands on from the day number one. Thank you very much, Divya ma'am. You were so very patient and with us on every session and took on each question we had very, very patiently and very explicitly. The structure was amazing. Definitely. That goes without saying for ICHARS. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, Jyoti. Thank you so much. Who would like to go next? Yes, Aditi.
Hi everyone, I am Aditi Sharma. I'm based in Gurgaon. I'm working as a school counselor and also as a freelance integrated therapist. So I already am a integrated therapist, but still went for a refresher course that too for in cognitive hypnotic psychotherapy. The reason is that I wanted to have yet another perspective and fill in my gaps in my understanding in this course. But the way Divya ma'am conducts this course is amazing, super amazing, I would say, because we as a group would throw a lot of questions and queries to her, and she would bring in all her years of experience and knowledge to clarify each and every doubt that we ever had. So I find that she is a wonderful teacher who will take you through so many tools of this modality, and that too would make it so easy for you to actually conduct it by hand holding you at each and every step. So thank you so much, iChars, and thank you so much, Divya ma'am, for conducting this refreshers course again for me. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Aditi. Thank you so much. Astha?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Astha.
Uh, so my name is Asta Prabhakar and I am currently teaching as an assistant professor in Mitipai College in Mumbai, and I have completed my masters in psychology, and I came to know about ICHARS from one of my friends who had already done all 4 5 levels of hypnotherapy in ICHARS, and then and hypnosis was something, which is very debatable in field of psychology, and I've seen a lot of people being against, or not so much in favor of hypnotherapy. So I actually wanted to dwell into it and know what hypnotherapy is, because I myself have been through hypnotherapy sessions before, and for intense negative emotion work, and I have also seen a lot of changes in me. So then I actually wanted to really understand, what this hypnosis is, because if it was just like uh, just some random thing, then it wouldn't have been so impactful, or it wouldn't have brought about so many changes in my life that I have been seeing from past few months or past few years, sorry. And then uh, like malab, then I really wanted to know about it, because like till you don't know you cannot tell, and I then slowly I got interested into it, and this course itself was very amazing. Divya ma'am was super amazing, and people who I worked with and all the group members who had joined this are also equally amazing. I really love the kind of insights, that each one of us you got to this session. Each one of us, the kind of questions we raised, the kind of answers we had, the kind of discussions we had initially were about different concepts. It was like wow, matlab, it was such a beautiful experience to know ki, wow, like it was nice to know, you know, things from my perspective and things from other people's perspective. So I really had a great time, enjoyed, I really, really thoroughly enjoyed this session. I hope that I look forward to meet all of you guys again and stay in touch. So, uh, and if possible, do work together for our practice session. I would really like to work once again with all of you. I really was not looking forward for this day, but like I did not waited for 20th because I did not wanted this to get over. It was nice, you know, to interact and know and learn more. It was fun learning experience. And yeah, thank you so much all for this lovely time and knowledge and insight. This is all it. Thank you.
Thank you, Asta. Thank you so much. Sakshi, you wanted to go?
Yes, ma'am. My voice is clear now?
Yes, it is.
Yeah. So, hi everyone. This is Sakshi, and I'm MA in clinical psychology, and I run my counseling services under the name of Be Sane by Therapist. And this is the private practice that I run. I'm based in Zirakpur, but my practice is global. So, online, I'm available for anywhere. And though the 20 days were like a very good refresher for me, I enjoyed each and every part of it. And about ICHARS and about this course is something that since very long, I'm associated with ICHARS. So I got to know about this upgrade and I joined immediately. And with Divya ma'am, it was my first session and I really liked it. Ma'am, your methods are very structured and you're very comfortable to learn with, I must say. Raising a question doesn't make us question ourselves. That she might say, पढ़ क्यों नहीं रहे थे उस टाइम पे जब मैं बता रही थी तो कर क्यों नहीं रहे थे? Something like that. So yeah, and everybody was very participating, and their questions, their queries, even upgraded my knowledge. And I'm very thankful for this course, and thank you everyone for being the part. And stay in touch, everyone. Thank you.
Thank you, Sakshi. Thank you so much. Yes, Dr. Sonal. I will just give me a second. 1 minute. Yes, Dr. Sonal.
Hi everyone, and I'm Dr. Sonal, based in Dehradun. And being a completely medical person, being a doctor, I've always seen patients struggling with their mindset. And psychology was always like my passion, and did I got a chance to learn psychology from anywhere. And because I am very busy with my practice, so I was looking for such a course where a very structured teaching was there, and that too online. So a friend recommended me to ICHARS, and then I contacted, and then I saw the course, and it was so structured, so nice, and with proper levels and proper directions and proper they have mentioned everything very clearly, that after one level where you will reach and what you can do, so what you can expect from that. And I would like to say that this course has exceeded my expectations. And Divya ma'am was a wonderful coach, and all the group was super amazing. And these 20 days have passed by like too early, and I would have wanted some more days were there. But anyway, we will be in touch, and we can work together, and we can do some practice sessions, and obviously looking forward to level 2. Thank you.
Thank you, Dr. Sonal. Thank you so much. Who would like to go next? Smita?
Yeah, yes, ma'am.
Yes,
My audio was mute. How did you?
I lip read.
Yeah. Hello, everyone. And hi, Divya ma'am. My name is Smita Anandan, and I'm practicing as a psychotherapist in Chennai. And basically, I'm an occupational therapist and into this field for many years. But still, I feel that my practice is not very structured. So while searching, I saw this ICHARS video. in YouTube and was impressed with. So I enrolled in December last year, but I couldn't join in the course. Very skeptical about hypnosis and whether I could be able to continue for without any absence for 3 weeks. So finally, I joined in this June, and it was such an amazing experience, very practical. And Divya ma'am, great teacher. Just I had this experience after many years. So I enriched this, and the group is also very friendly. All youngsters and other people. So I would like to join in the level 2 and continue this learning experience. Thank you, Divya ma'am, and thank you, ICHARS.
Thank you, Smita. Thank you so much. Who would like to go next? Jyoti? Jyoti Sharma?
Yes, ma'am. Hello everyone, my name is Jyoti Sharma. I stay in Delhi. I'm working as a school counselor. सच कहूँ तो last 2 years से I stay touch with Nitin sir. It's a free of cost. बहुत सारे फ्री डिस्कशन केसेस मैंने यूट्यूब पर उनके देखे और बहुत सारे व्हाट्सएप चैनल्स पे वो मंथली केस डिस्कशन फ्री ऑफ कॉस्ट बहुत हेल्पफुल रहा. बहुत सारे स्कूल स्टूडेंट्स के साथ जो प्रॉब्लम्स मुझे फेस आ रही थी क्लियर ना कर पाने में या कहीं कहीं पर मुझे लग रहा था मैं स्टक हो रही हूँ, सर गिव मी अ फ्री सजेशंस कि मुझे नेक्स्ट स्टेप कैसे करना चाहिए, क्या करना चाहिए. आईचार्स के साथ लास्ट 2 ईयर से सिर्फ सुनकर काम करके मैंने बहुत कुछ सीखा. तो मुझे लगा अब और अच्छे से एंटर होना चाहिए और अच्छे से अटैच होना चाहिए. तो मैंने ये कोर्स ज्वाइन किया. बट सच में मुझे बिल्कुल भी आइडिया नहीं था कि इस कोर्स को मतलब करने के बाद मैं खुद को इतना कॉन्फिडेंस फील करूंगी, इतना इक्विप्ड फील करूंगी कि हाँ अब मैं बच्चों के साथ और बेटर वे में काम कर सकूंगी. थैंक यू सो मच दिव्या मैम. दिव्या मैम ने मेरे लिए बहुत सारी चीजें जो है एक्स्ट्रा एफर्ट्स लेकर की. चीजों को जहां मुझे कुछ डिफिकल्टी आ रही थी अंडरस्टैंड करने में, उन्होंने एक्सप्लेन किया, स्पेशली डबल टू ट्रिपल टाइम्स इन हिंदी फॉर मी. थैंक यू सो मच. थैंक यू मैम. थैंक यू आईचार्स.
Thank you, Jyoti. Thank you so much. All right. Who would like to go next? Who's left? Kasturi? Only you're left? Okay.
Shall I start?
Yes.
Hello, everyone. I'm Kasturi. I'm from Bangalore. I have done a master's degree in clinical psychology, and 6 years ago, I had done CHCP, Cognitive Hypnotic Coaching and Psychotherapy, levels 1 and level 2 of the old module under Mamta ma'am, and then I did level 2 of the new module under Nitin sir. And I had been out of practice for the last few years. So I wanted to restart my practice, and for that, I really needed this refresher course. Divya ma'am has been really kind and empathetic towards me, has answered all my questions throughout the course, and it was always easy to come back to ma'am and with questions. And I never felt that I have lost touch with psychology. Rather, I felt that I am getting back to my roots. That's how Divya ma'am has made me feel. And I do feel quite confident now that I have done this refresher. And I'm also looking forward to the refresher of level 2 very soon. And yes, I do feel confident now that I would be able to start my practice again. So thank you so much, Divya ma'am, and thank you, ICHARS.
Thank you, Kasturi. Thank you so much. Anyone left? No one left, no? All right. So I will stop recording.
Also, this was my first